let's play with some jar and some acrylic paint. So that's all I'm using right there is acrylic paint, some jars, my gloves, of course. And I just started with, well, this is a burgundy. I can't tell you what color it is because it's a mix that I made because I needed that color. So what I did is I painted the jars, and I actually, the darker one, this one, and the brown one you're going to see me do, actually took 3 coats to get it nice. The orange, I mixed pumpkin and something spice. So this was a little too orange for me, and listen, you're going to have to stay tuned because while I was painting and picking my items, I kind of changed my mind on what I want to do to the orange jars. So I didn't use it for the project you're going to see me do today. But I do have a really fun, cool project coming with those orange mason jars. So this is the brown one. As you see, when I start applying it, it's very light. So this one took 3 coats. And I actually did let them dry in between coats because I was busy doing other things. So I didn't blow dry them, but you can totally blow dry them and speed up the process a little bit. And I found these beautiful picks that I got from Nocks Seasonal Decor together with this gorgeousness of a ribbon. And I found this cute little basket. So my idea was to place the jars in that cute little basket. Of course, those bowls were too big, so I cut them down to size and glued them on and cover them up with some pretty moss. And all I'm going to use is going to be the picks that have apple slices and orange slices. Now the ribbon has pine cones and Christmas berries. So I actually put pine cones in the basket. However, if you have apples, if you have other for fruit, you can definitely decorate the basket in many different ways. But I did really like the pine cones because I just love the smell, the scent, however you want to call it. So the first one you saw me use was a taller pick. And then, of course, we have the shorter picks and with the orange and the apple slices. I love them so much. I bought them last year and I never got around to use them. So I finally found a perfect project for them. And we're going to make a beautiful coordinating swag. So you really want to stay tuned, you guys. We got lots of beautiful things coming. So then I just took a little bit of the ribbon, wrapped it around one of the jars. I didn't want the beautiful colors of the jars to be hidden by the ribbon, but I did want to use a little bit of the ribbon. And again, I chose to put pine cones around the jars, but you can totally put in there whatever you please. You could even put battery-operated candles if you wish. And then I just made a simple bow and used a floral pin to insert it into my floral foam, and just a little touch right there. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned to see what we are going to do with those other jars.